Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve the exercise from the unit. The name of the unit is brother and sister. Answer the following question. Question number 1 is where did the children go? Answer of this question is the children went to the bazaar. Next question is what were the children doing there? They were there to buy a little toy. At first, did the children find what they wanted? No, at first they disagreed about what they wanted. Did the children argue? What did each of them do? Yes, they argued. She glared at him, he grumbled. They both growled at each other. Do you think they bought something good? Yes, they bought a beautiful book. A book is really a good thing. Guess the following words. They all end in AGE. For keeping tigers in cage. AGE. CAGE. Cage. Found in a book. Page. Great anger. Rage. Money every week. Wage. A wise man. This is difficult. Sage. Learning about language, verbs. Answer the following question. Follow the pattern. It is used for. Verb plus ing. यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ sentences हैं जिनको हमने इस पैटर्न के मुताबिक सॉल्व करना है. इट इज़ यूज्ड कि ये क्या चीज़ है, किस लिए इस्तेमाल होती है. वर्ब के साथ हम ing लगाएंगे. What is a mast of a ship used for? Answer of this question is it is used for supporting the sails. Supporting में end पे ing लगा है इसलिए it is used for supporting the sails. What is a castle used for? It is used for living in. What is a fishing boat used for? It is used for fishing. What is a hammer used for? It is used for hitting and breaking. What is a knife used for? It is used for cutting. Next topic है pronouns. Look carefully at the underlined pronouns in the passage below. Brother and sister went to the bazaar. He wanted to spend his money on a tractor. He and his is pronoun. She spied a silver star and wanted to buy it. Next to them, right by the door, she saw a book. She said to him, "Let's buy it." And that is what they did. All these words are pronouns that are underlined. Now use the pronouns in the sentences of your own. Here are some sentences. He was a simple man. His mother was a doctor. She helped the poor. She advised them to take rest. She also asked him to take rest. He, man, his, she, them, she, him. All these words are pronouns. Listening and speaking. Work with the classmate, take turn to ask question and give answers about the following. Follow the pattern. What is dash used for? It is used for verb plus ing, or it is used to dash with. First one is a glass, a needle, a paintbrush, a lid, a fork, a napkin, a toothbrush, a cap, a pen, a tin, a vase, a saw, an eraser, a chair, a matchstick, an umbrella. यहाँ पे मैंने इनके सेंटेंसेस लिखे हैं. क्वेश्चन सेम ही होगा. व्हाट इज़ दिस और व्हाट इज़ दिस यूज्ड फॉर. So first word is a glass. It is used for drinking. A needle. It is used for sieving. A paintbrush. It is used for painting. A lid. It is used for covering pots. A fork. It is used for eating. A napkin. It is used for covering. A toothbrush. It is used for cleaning teeth. A cap. It is used for covering head. A pen is used to write with. A tin is used for storing dry foods. A vase is used to keep flowers. A saw, it is used for cutting wood. An eraser, it is used for erasing writing. A chair, it is used for sitting. A matchstick, it is used for lighting fire. An umbrella is used as shelter against rain. Composition. Use the following phrases in sentences of your own. As light as a feather. My shoes are as light as a feather. As good as gold. The advices of elders are as good as gold. As dry as a bone. This tree is as dry as a bone. As proud as a peacock. Ali is as proud as a peacock. As green as grass. The water of the lake is as green as grass. Choose one of the phrases and use the idea in it to write a short paragraph about something. Draw a picture too. Example, as dry as a bone. In the summer, we waited for rain. The rain did not come. Our garden was as dry as a bone. Then suddenly one day there was a rumble. The clouds became dark. The wind started to blow. The rain came down. Our garden is not as dry as a bone now. A few days ago, my mother bought a pair of shoes for me. At first, I did not like them, but when I put them on, I felt they were as light as a feather. They make me very comfortable. When I run with them on, I feel like I am flying.